Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. This is a game from TradeWise Gibraltar tournament played in 2018. Alan Tate had white pieces and he started with knight to f3. Hikaru Nakamura played g6, e4, d6, d4, knight to f6, bishop to d3, bishop to g7. Nakamura is playing the Pirc defense. And both players castled kingside. Rook to e1, knight to c6, d5, black to move. Knight to b8 was played. Knight to b4 is the most played move, but knight to b8 is also seen quite often on the high level. The knight is coming to d7, c4, e5, knight to c3, h6, c5, knight to e8, b4. White is enjoying more space. And now Nakamura strikes in the style of the King's Indian defense. He played f5. This is very interesting position. White has lots of good moves to choose from, like bishop to a3, or maybe bishop to b2, or even c6 looks like a very interesting choice. Even if b takes on c6, d takes on c6, knight takes on c6, pawn takes pawn on f5 with an interesting game. Back to our game. Alan Tate played knight to d2, knight to d7, c6 now, b takes on c6, d takes on c6, knight from d to f6, bishop to c4 check, king to h8, white to move, knight to f3. Maybe this is not the strongest move. How about pawn takes pawn on f5? Then there is a high chance that black would play bishop takes on f5, g takes on f5, or even d5. We don't know. Back to our game. Oh, and just one more thing. f3 seems like a sensible move. More support to the pawn on e4. Knight to f3 was played. F takes on e4. And player with the white pieces was hoping for exactly this move. That's why he played knight to f3. Knight takes on e5 was played. Attacking the pawn on g6. The pawn on d6 is pinned. King to h7. If d takes on e5, bye-bye queen. So we have king to h7. White to move. There is a juicy square on f7 for the knight. And no knight can resist that. Knight to f7 was played. At first look, the position is bad for black. But Nakamura saw potential in this position. That is why he allowed the knight to come to f7. Do you believe that? Well, queen is no longer safe on d8. Queen to e7. Now black is threatening to take the knight. Queen to b3. This is the critical position. Black to move. What would you do in this position if you had black pieces? Please pause and find the best move for black. Nakamura played the best move, d5. Knight takes on d5, attacking the queen. Was d5 really a good move? Well, the queen is under attack. What is the best square for the queen? Can queen take the knight? What would you do? If queen takes the knight, is there a problem coming from the bishop on c4? Nakamura capture the knight on f7. Black queen is lined up on the same diagonal with the bishop. Knight to b6. Double attack. What now? Nakamura already knew what to do in this position, and he played the best move. The only good move, everything else is losing. And the move is... Please pause and find the best move for black in this position. What did you find? Black played a move and white resigned, believe it or not. The move is knight to d5. Alan Tate, player with the white pieces, resigned. Let's have a look at few possible continuations. First, if bishop takes on d5, then queen takes on f2 check, and after king to h1, queen takes rook checkmate. So bishop takes knight is a bad move. What about bishop to e3? Then a takes on b6, and after bishop takes on d5, queen to f5. Black is a piece up, in a better position. What else? If f4 is played, then pawn takes pawn en passant, g takes on f3, a takes on b6, bishop takes on d5, queen to f6, attacking the rook after say rook to b1 and knight to d6. And again, black is a piece up in a better position. Isn't this a strange game, in which player with the white pieces thought he was winning, and then he got surprised, big time. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.